Look at that amazing castle! Explorers! I think I'm in Germany. Look! Today's letter is right there! It's the letter G. Can you say G with me? Ready? G! Brilliant! G says G. Say it with me. G. One more time. G. Incredible! Now let's find our G animals hiding in Germany. Shh! Something is on that hillside. Let me check my scanner. It's a goat! G is for goat. Listen. Goat. Your turn. Goat. Yeah. Can you get down on all fours like a goat and pretend to climb a rocky hill? The goat wanted to play and gave Zippy a big friendly nudge.
Wow!
Did you know? Goats are incredible climbers and can walk up almost vertical rocky cliffs. Can you pretend to climb a really steep rocky hill? Goat is just one syllable, one big clap. Goat! Easy! You did it! Shh! Something very large is in that forest. Let me check my scanner. It's a gorilla! G is for gorilla. Listen. Gorilla. Your turn. Gorilla. Can you walk like a gorilla? Lean covering and knuckle walk like a big friendly gorilla.
Let me show you the view.
The gorilla picked Zippy right up and started dancing. Did you know gorillas are incredibly strong and gentle at the same time? They working in family groups and look after each other. Now clap with me. Go, rill, la. Amazing! Shh! Something incredibly tall is over there. Let me check my scanner. It's a giraffe! G is for giraffe. Listen. Giraffe. Your turn. Giraffe. Can you eat your vegetables like a giraffe? Munch, munch, munch. And grow nice and tall. The giraffe gave Zippy the biggest lick ever, all the way from chin to forehead. Did you know? Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, and their neck alone can be almost 2 meters long. Can you stretching your neck up as tall as you can? Now clap with me. Giraffe. Amazing! Germany quiz time! I'll show you 3 things. Stand up when you see the one that starts with G. Ready? Gorilla, frog, elephant. Which one starts with G? Point to it now. Yes! Gorilla starts with G. You are one brilliant explorer. True or false time. Put your hands on your head if it's true. Wiggle your fingers if it's false. Ready? Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. True or false? True! Giraffes are the tallest animals on our whole planet. Well done! Goats can eat in grass. True or false? True! Goats eat almost anything. They are very adventurous eaters. You doing it! Today in Germany we found 1. A goat that gave Zippy a big friendly nudge wanting to play. 2. A gorilla that picked Zippy up and started dancing. 3. A giraffe that licked Zippy's entire face. And they all start with G. G says G. Say it with me one more time. G. You found 3 amazing G animals in Germany today. I'm so proud of you, Explorer. Next time Zippy goes to Hungary. Can you guess what animals we'll find? Come back for our next adventure. Bye-bye, Explorer.